parallel parking. Just hearing the phrase can make new drivers sweat. But here's the truth. It's a skill anyone can master. So why is parallel parking so tricky? It's tight. Visibility is limited. And let's be honest, when traffic's behind you, the pressure is on. But learning it pays off. You'll gain confidence, impress your passengers, and own any urban parking challenge. Let's start with the most common mistakes. Stopping too far from the parked car, not turning the steering wheel enough, and getting flustered when it doesn't go right the first time. Before you even start practicing, understand the basics. Know what we mean by curbside, turning radius, and forward versus backward motion. And always choose the right spot. Look for enough space, good visibility, and no tight obstructions. Now, let's break down the steps. Pull up parallel to the car in front, leaving about half a meter space. Start reversing slowly while turning the wheel toward the curb. When your car is at a 45-degree angle, straighten the wheel and continue reversing. Once your front bumper clears the back of the car ahead, turn the wheel away from the curb and slide in. Adjust as needed. It's okay to straighten up. Want to step it up? Use your mirrors actively. Check blind spots and use them to measure how close you are to the curb. Try the box method. Imagine the space in sections, aligning your car within each. For tight spaces, the pull-up method helps. Angle and slightly forward, then reverse and correct your angle. But no technique beats practice. Find a quiet lot. Set up cones or markers and repeat the steps slowly. Use apps or simulations to visualize. Keep your cool, breathe, and stay focused. Frustration is your real enemy, not the curb. As you practice, you'll notice your fear fades. What felt impossible becomes routine. Remember, parallel parking isn't just about passing your test. It's about owning your space on the road. Keep practicing, stay patient, and soon, you'll be parallel parking like a pro.